Hello guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use Windows 11 PowerToys for productivity. So guys, the PowerToys is actually a native app that is released and created by Windows. So if you want to use a tool that is official, free, and contains no viruses or no malware, this is the one to go for. So guys, as you can see, the functionality is as follows. There's many features that you can use. So this is pretty much a tweaker for your system. So the pretty much functions that the native stock Windows doesn't allow you. This app pretty much expands on those features and gives you much more to to customize in your system. So just go ahead and install it. Just download it from your PC. You can get it from Microsoft Store or GitHub. I'll just go and grab it from here. Okay guys, so scroll down and then just download this PowerToys setup for x64 system. All right, now it's downloading. Once it does, just install it. There you go, agree to this. What is in the options? No, that's fine, okay, and then press install. Okay, now let's wait for the installation, should be quick. And let's open it up. Okay, close, and now you can open it up, guys. All right, so here's our PowerToys, guys. As you can see, there's so many things in here. That's actually insane. Let's actually maximize it. So what do we have here, guys? It's just super huge app that I don't even know where to start. So I would say that if you want to go as a beginner, you can just open it up, make sure that you're in the PowerToys settings, and then under utilities, just use something that you often want to do, right? For example, we have the advanced paste, right? So just go here, and as you can see, it formats clipboard content into plain text, Markdown, JSON, and more. As you can see, it's pretty much your advanced clipboard, which is pretty nice. So pretty much you can just use this. So you can see we have so many of these. For example, we have screen ruler. Okay, it's turned on, as you can see. To activate it, you press Windows, Control, Up, and NAM. Yeah, there's a lot of buttons to press. Also, guys, if you want to customize a shortcut to launch a certain app, click on there, and you can, as you can see, just clear it and choose which button combination you want to use to open up a certain tweak. For example, we also have light switch. So if you want to quickly, switch from light to dark mode, you can just turn this on, choose the mode, and then you can, for example, set it to fixed hours, sunset to sunrise, or follow night lights. So in my case, I have night lights enabled now. So if I turn this on, it will follow and become black once I turn on the night lights. Very handy and something that the stock system doesn't allow you to do. So whatever you're trying to work with, guys, just go ahead and run through all of these tweaks. As you can see, we have dozens of them, and choose whatever you want to do. Super handy app. I actually did not really start using it yet, but I suppose now's the time. So enjoy, guys. If this video helped you out to boost your productivity, make sure to like and subscribe and enjoy this awesome app.